How to post on Reddit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then make your post on Reddit. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Reddit app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Reddit, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Reddit application, now I want you to basically go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So you might have seen people posting many titles and interesting videos, GIFs or anything as such, and you might have always wanted to try that out yourself. So if you want to post a post on Reddit, it's very simple. All you have to do is at the bottom of the screen you can see this little plus button, so just tap on it. Now you have to simply give an interesting title to your post over here, and it also depends on what kind of post you're trying to make. If you want to add an image, you can add an image post. If you want to add a video, you can do that as well. If you want to add only text, you can do that. If you want to add links, similarly polls and talk, which is basically a brand new feature. So if you want to add a new image, just make sure to allow the permissions and give it a certain image, and tap on the add button over here. Add as many images as you want. Once you do that, tap on the next button again. You can add an interesting title to this and just go ahead and post it in that way. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then create a post on Reddit. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.